Hey, welcome back to the Trailer Hood. Tonight I'm doing just some hot dogs on the grill outside, but I wanted to make a side dish with it. So I'm going to make some macaroni salad. I don't have the elbow noodle macaroni, so I'm going to go with Rotini. Yeah, so we're going to get started here. We're going to do about 1.5 cups of mayonnaise. There. Next up, we're going to do a tablespoon of Dijon mustard and a tablespoon of just the regular old yellow mustard. Alright, now that we got those in, we're going to come in with the chopped up onion. I chopped it up pretty small and it came out to be about 1.5 cups. Alright, the next ingredient is 2 celery stalks that I chopped up very, very finely. I'm not a huge fan of celery unless it's in a soup and pretty much cooked to the point to where when you bite into it, it just disintegrates. But supposed to be in here. Okay, we're going to follow that with 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Of course, I'll have all the ingredients in the description below. Alright, then we're going to do about 1/4 to 1/3 cup of white vinegar. Alright, let me take a minute to tell you where we're at here. I cooked up I boiled 4 hard-boiled eggs, chopped them up. I also took the pound of pasta and boiled it, and then I drained it and I poured it in this lasagna pan to cool down. I didn't rinse it off. I didn't add oil or butter or anything to it. I just poured it in here, and every few minutes I come over here and kind of stir it around. I mean, it sticks together, but that's kind of what we want. We wanted it to get tacky, and so we're trying to cool it down to room temperature. And so really where we're at here is, at this point, my normal recipe would be to add the eggs and the noodles, and I would add about 1/2 to 3/4 cup of bell pepper. But I don't have any bell pepper. So I was looking around to see if I had anything else that I wanted to put in here. Rolled around the idea of some olives, but I decided against the olives, and I was looking around to get these red pepper flakes so I could put a little hot stuff in there. And it just so happens that I have a dead chicken in a can. So, to just spice it up a little bit, I figured, hey, I'm going to go ahead and add this chicken, and this will be a side dish for tonight, and then probably I could eat this for lunch tomorrow. Alright, so at this point, we'll just work on incorporating the rest of the ingredients. We got the noodles, we got the eggs, we got the dead chicken in a can. I'm going to throw in some hot spices here. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Then we're going to let it set up about 2 or 3 hours. Pull it out. We'll give it a stir around, check out, taste it, see where we're at. At that point, if it looks a little dry, we can add more mayonnaise to it. Because we did use the Rotini noodles instead of the elbow noodles, you know, all them little cracks and crevices, they're going to hold all the goodness, and we might wind up needing a little bit more mayonnaise. But we'll see how it goes. Alright, so at this point we just toss it in the fridge and let it set up for a couple hours. So, yeah, I'll see you in a little bit. Did you miss me? Well, it's not looking like we're making any barbecued hot dogs today. Sorry, barbecue grill. Super rainy. Plan B. All right, so you saw it. I got rained out. I couldn't fire up the grill. I used a charcoal grill and I wasn't able to do it. So anyhow, I scored the hot dog. I threw it in the toaster oven here. Came out freaking beautiful. You know it. And the pasta salad, it's beautiful. Let me give this a shot here. Oh yeah, that's really good. Yeah, perfect. Try a bite of my toaster oven hot dog. We want a bite? Yeah. All right. There you go. You can have a little piece of hot dog. Okay, that's it then. This was macaroni salad, southern macaroni salad with dead chicken in a can, trailer hood style. Thanks for swinging through. I'll see you next time.
Me wind and rain, you're some kind of